The days of sitting in a classroom listening to a training instructor drone on about how to do complicated work processes are becoming less frequent. Training is evolving, and much of our workplace learning is moving to the digital world. The future of training looks very different and is much more user-friendly. As we create a new culture of learning in our workforce, we need to present information in ways similar to how they digest details in their everyday lives. For example, many of us use social media or click on help buttons while online. Companies need to provide similar, easy-to-use, engaging platforms that let employees collaborate with their peers and share knowledge. Did you know only 10% of professional development comes from formal instruction and similar educational events? Another 20% comes from informal learning, such as coaching and collaborating with peers. And most learning, 70%, comes from experience, while employees are actually doing their jobs. Education experts widely use the 70-20-10 model for learning and development, and it's the foundation for how forward-thinking organizations consider training and learning. Businesses need to think about the human side of digital transformation as they're undergoing big changes. This part of organizational change management, or OCM, is called digital enablement of the workforce. Users really need information in the flow of work and while on the job. You need to provide easily accessible learning content to employees while they're doing tasks so that they can garner that 70%. The key features of digital enablement include making sure users can easily access help within their applications, creating role and user-specific courses and training materials, using the right languages and terminology for your workers, designing the materials to be as simple as possible, and encouraging collaboration across groups so people see the big picture. We want to help your workers learn now and quickly by clicking and choosing the information they need as they're getting things done. They can also use social collaboration platforms for activity streams and blogging. These platforms become a form of crowdsourcing for learning. All of these mechanisms will reduce time away from the job in classes or seminars. For instructional designers, instead of having to create training materials using outdated desktop applications, we can now use tools to automate training and publish to many outputs like simulations and job aids, dramatically cutting the amount of effort your staff spends building training materials and fast-tracking user adoption. You can also use in-application help to let users review training by just clicking a button. This can help replace 50 to 80% of help desk calls. Applying intelligent analytics to the use of the learning content can also facilitate your company's artificial intelligence and improve work processes. Our ISG OCM digital learning enablement advisors have worked on hundreds of digital transformation projects involving the introduction of popular software and other process adjustments to anywhere from 500 to 150,000 employees. Our average advisor has more than 18 years of experience in his or her specialization, and we've helped dozens of well-known companies across a wide range of industries to successfully implement change. For more information about ISG's strategic learning advisory and user enablement services, please contact us. We hope to help you create a positive culture of learning by digitally enabling your workforce.